Okay, Hawkeye Ghost, let's see what we need to track down in order to save the Halloween pop-up exhibit. According to the blue slip, we need to find a miniature vampire hunter's toolkit. That's both spooky and practical, especially if you're a miniature person who's not a vampire. What's the first place we should look? You're right, we should ask Charlotte Smith, who collected thousands of miniature books and after whom our miniature collection is named. I heard she collected so many normal-sized books that she ran out of room and had to start collecting miniatures. What a hero. She was not a small part of the miniature community.
Yoo-hoo!
Now, according to the call number, it should be here on the shelf, but it's not. What was that you said, Hawkeye Ghost? Ah, yes. Woohoo, Charlotte Smith!
Yoo-hoo!
Charlotte, we're looking for a vampire hunter's toolkit. It should be here, but it's nowhere to be found.
A man took it. I don't know who he was, but he looked mad, bad, and dangerous to know. As a miniature person who's not a vampire, I really needed that. I think he went that way.
Thanks, Charlotte. We'll do our best to get your toolkit back.